Hi, I'm gonna talk about the pHmeter in the career of applied chemistry. A pHmeter is a device used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. In other words, its pH. In this way, pH comprises a numerical scale ranging from 0 to 14, where a value of 7 indicates a neutral solution. A value less than 7 indicates acidity, while a pH greater than 7 indicates alkalinity. And who works? Well, to start, the pHmeter consists of a digital display containing the electrical circuits and showing the values obtained. An electrode, which is a metallic or semiconductor component that acts as an interface between an electrical circuit and a chemical system. The electrode's internal reference and the controls that allow you to change the pH range, temperature, or perform calibrations. Buffer solutions, which are used to calibrate the equipment, acid and base solutions for pH adjustment if required, and potassium chloride solutions for electrode protection. It starts by plugging the pHmeter into the power supply. Once turned on, the equipment is calibrated with the 3 buffer solutions. This is done by removing the electrode protection, rinsing with the distilled water over a beaker, drying with a paper delicate, and immersing the electrode in the buffer. Wait for the pH to stabilize and for the screen to indicate that it is correct. The electrode is removed, rinsed, and dried. This process is repeated in each calibration solution and for the analysis of solutions. Once calibrated, the desired samples are measured, and if required, the acid and base solutions are used to raise or lower the pH. Once finished, it is rinsed, dried, and stored in the potassium chloride protection.